So you originally started Meathead Movers in high school to make extra cash.
It's true.
Now take us back to when you first started and when you realized you can make a difference.
Yeah, well, to our unfortunate surprise, we were getting periodic phone calls from victims looking to flee abusive relationships. And when they'd call, I'd be the one who was talking to them. And you could just hear the panic in their voice. They need to get out. Wow. Their abuser was coming home the next day.
Wow.
So my brother and our friends and I, we would just help them out for free. And fast forward a couple years, and that's when, unfortunately, you know, it got a little hairy in the situation.
You would get some abusers while you're trying to move?
Not for the first couple years, but eventually we did. And we, you know, he accused us of stealing, and a toaster oven was thrown. And we ended up, police were called, and that's when we realized in order to continue to do this, we need to partner with a local women's shelter, and we did that in San Luis Obispo in 2001.
Wow.
Right.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
Very smart.
Well, Aaron, you're definitely making a difference.
Thank you.
So I just wanted to let you know we received an anonymous letter from a domestic violence survivor. And it reads, Dear Aaron and Meathead Movers, you don't know me, but your moving company helped me and my 3 daughters. My ex-husband used to tell me that if I ever left, he would find us, kidnap the girls, and kill me. When you are getting abused, you feel worthless and like no one cares about you. You and your company showed me and my daughters that we are special and deserve to have a new life. I hope that all women escaping violence can have this special feeling. Thank you. P.S. Every night my daughters and I pray for all of the people who helped us. My 3-year-old always says, don't forget the big guys with the big truck.
We know one moving company that definitely wants to help out.